Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we are looking at the intermediate daily warming, page 33 of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician. And we're talking a lot about the chromatic ladder, which is on the right side of your page. It talks about how your flats work and how your sharps work. Flats being a half step lower than the natural tone, and sharps being a half step higher. For trombone, that's pretty easy. Half step lower just means one position out. Half step higher means a half or one position in, until you get into first position, in which case, if you're on F, when you go to F sharp, you have to jump out to fifth. B flat, you have to jump out to seventh over the low, or fourth for the high. And when you get down to a half step below a low B, you have to go all the way into first, and a half step below the low E, which we probably have not talked about yet in this book, but you would have to come into a T3 to get to the low E flat, your thumb down for that, because the low E flat, you need the trigger to make work effectively. Ew.